welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Madge, and for today's video, we're going to talk about Alo Airdrop, guys. So ngayon, nag-release sila ng staking, so yun ang pag-uusapan natin in this video. And of course, meron din silang pag-galax campaign regarding sa staking. So it's called Learn and Earn, and meron siyang quiz, kaya wag kayo mag-skip, guys. And of course, inatakal din natin another galax campaign, which is what is SPV. So Learn and Earn what is SPV yun, with a quiz din, guys, kaya wag kayo mag-skip. Stay tuned at the end of this video para lang kayo na-miss na important details, especially the quizzes. And meron tayong salihan na pa-contest ni Alo, guys, through galax campaign. Kaya before we jump into it, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have that already, and ring that notification bell so you always be updated to my upcoming videos and off the clock episodes. So now, tayo ay mag-stake muna bago tayo mag-start magsagot ng quizzes sa kanilang galax campaign. So dalawa nilang Learn and Earn, isa yung staking, and of course the SPV. What is SPV? Okay, and then of course sali tayo sa kanilang pa-contest. So now, dito naman is anytime pwede nyo naman din i-unstake kapag mag-stake kayo. So it's up to you kung 25, 50, 75 or 100 yung points nyo para madagdagan yung points nyo. So kung mababa pa yung points nyo, pwede nyo naman i-100, pero kung gusto nyo i-50, like kaya for example 50 nilagay ko, ayan, 50%, so pwede yan. So it's kayo kung gusto nyo 25 or 75, it's really up to you. So pwede nyo naman din i-unstake siya anytime itong inyong points, guys. So at least dito makita nyo kung magkano yung reward occurred once na makita nyo. So once na kinilik yung unstake, ayan, pwede nyo siya i-unstake anytime. Okay, so I think hindi pa naman siya kagad mag-TGE, kaya as much as possible kung magkaroon kayo ng additional points, i-stake ko na lang din siya para at least the higher points, much better, para mas marami kayong makuha. So now, tatakan na natin itong galax campaign, Learn and Earn with Alo. What are SPV? What are pala, sorry. So now, okay naman na sa diba, once na ginawa niyo si Alo, yung kanilang main requirements is, ayun naman yung kanilang mga social media. So ito yung pinakamahalaga, which is the answers sa kanilang quizzes. So i-post ko na lang siya, guys, para at least makuha nyo yung sagot, guys. Or habang pinapanood nyo siya, pag nakita nyo ito, babagalan ko na lang din. So isulat nyo na lang din yung answers before kayo mag-answers, guys. Kasi kapag may mali kayo dyan, you need to redo it again and redo it again and again and again hanggang sa makuha nyo. So parang pag nag-redo nyo siya, babalik ulit kayo sa question number 1. Although hindi naman siya magsasabi na you can do it one time lang. So you can do it multiple times. Pero of course, sayang sa oras. Kaya much better kung ipapost nyo na siya every and then or isulatin nyo siya before nyo siya mag-take ng quiz. Okay? So madali lang naman siya. So up to 10 questions lang naman siya, guys. Okay, regarding to sa kanilang SPVs, para at least maintindihan nyo yung project ni Alo, guys. So isa to sa mga ina-anticipate ng mga airdroppers out there as well, kasi nga malakas yung backup na to. It's na doon si Optimism, kaya highly anticipated si Alo, guys. So once na nakuha nyo na yung points, so the higher points, much better. Possible, hindi natin alam kung ang kailang ratio is 1:1 or diba, 100:1, diba? So we never know until na magbigay sila ng kanilang eligibility requirements. Okay, kadalasan naman yan kapag malapit na yung TGE or kapag nag-TGE na sila or nakapag-snapshots na sila. Paminsan doon nila sinasabi kung ano yung requirements nila. Paminsan naman din before, mga siguro mga a week or something. So magbibigay naman sila ng hint. Okay, so now tayo ay sasali dito. Meron silang pa 20 USDT for 10 lucky winners. So a total of 200 USDT kasi nag-celebrate sila for the 300,000 community. Okay, so madali lang naman siya, guys. Kailangan nyo lang i-follow yung kanilang dito space, like yung sinabi ko dito. Ayan, space users. So, kailangan i-follow nyo yan. And then, yun, you can participate na. So, that's very easy. So, you get 1 entry. So, 10 lucky winners will get tig to 20 USDT. Okay, guys. So, don't miss this one until, ano pa naman siya? 23. Tama ba ako? So, yun. So, now, let's proceed to Allo Staking Learn and Earn. Okay? So, here, okay naman na. Yung kadalasan yung first 10 points is yun yung follow. Which is, kung nagawa nyo naman siya, nung umpisa, nagawa nyo na si Allo, okay na yan. So, pwede na kayo dumiretso sa quiz or i-refresh nyo lang kapag hindi siya naka-color green yung iba. So, dito, 4 lang naman yung questions. So, madali lang naman you guys. So, number 1 is letter B. Number 2, what are the minimum allow points? So, 100. Next, what are the following typical both A and B? Kadalasan kapag may ganyan yan yung sinasagot ko kagad. Or kapag may all of the above, yun na kagad. Kadalasan kasi yun yung pinakasagot. So, last one is letter B. Then, submit. And then, we can collect 60 points, guys. Okay, so lalagay ko na yung mga link niyan sa description box kasi maraming once pumunta kasi kayo sa Allo section, marami siyang nakalagay doon, kaya medyo minsan kailangan pa hagalapin kasi meron pang mga ongoing at meron na pa rin namang ended na rin, so nakahalo-halo siya. So para hindi kayo malito at hindi kayo magkarambol lang para hindi kayo mag-click-click ng iba, ilalagay ko lang siya sa description box down below para directly na kayo pumunta sa mismong mga page respectively. Okay, guys. So, may mga ano naman dito. Minsan naman nag-a-announce sila sa kanilang X account kung until when. Kaya nakita nyo dyan, wala pang until when. Except doon sa kanilang contest or pa raffle nila or pa giveaway nila. Okay, guys, so don't forget to stake your Allo points para mas malaki yung inyong Allo points. So until next time, goodbye!